Web3 gaming is one of the most exciting spaces in the entire crypto industry, but it's also one of the hardest to survive in. In the last 6 months, we've seen a bunch of big name games shut down. Just this week, we've seen Tokyo Beast announce they're also closing their doors. It is brutal out here for anyone involved in crypto. So I've spent months researching this sector, tracking real user growth, real revenue, and actual momentum. Today, I'm sharing 4 gaming tokens I believe will survive, scale, and absolutely send into the next rotation. First up, and this is one I've talked about a lot, which is WagMe Games. And recently on X, I said it had one of the most bullish gaming charts in the entire market right now. And here's what I pointed out. It had a perfect inverse head and shoulders, a clean bounce from a falling wedge, and a double bottom forming. The game is already out, and the bigger vision here is huge. So it has a mobile game live on the iOS and Android. It has the official webtoon comic, which is Nefi Wars, with over 100,000 views. It has the anime trailer, just crossed over 1 million views, official YouTube's toys and collectibles, weekly streams and content from growing creator armies. And once the marketing kicks off next month, they're going to start generating some real revenue. That revenue is then going to be injected straight back into the chart. So I've been holding this one for a while, and I still believe it's going to do multiples. I'm talking 50x, maybe 100x over the next couple of months. So next up is a project that I've mentioned before. In my opinion, it's probably one of the most undervalued gaming tokens across the entire industry, which is Metacade. This project launched back in 2022, right in the middle of the bear market, and even in that environment, they still managed to build one of the largest Web3 gaming communities out there. They've also collaborated with some massive names in the space, such as My Pet Hooligans, Cornucopias, Superverse, Medieval Empires, and the team still hasn't slowed down. So Metacade is branded as the home of gaming on base and is led by Russell, who's clearly got long-term vision to take this project deep into the bull run. So chart-wise, since the lows in June, it's already up around 144%, but there's still a potential 200% move just to get back to the December highs. Right now, the market cap's around $28 million, and a simple 20x move would take it to just over $500 million. Metacade has a team, the timing, the narrative all working in its favor. This is definitely one I'm holding on to for the next leg of this cycle. So third up on the list is a token that I'm really excited about, and I believe could probably do 50x, maybe 100x from here quite easily. That token is Playable Games. Playable is a gaming publisher that is focused on PC-based games. They've integrated Bull directly into them. You can also get exposure by holding the token itself, or you can buy a node from their website and earn Bull passively over time. Now, this is where it gets interesting. The current market cap is around $4 million, but back in December of 2023, it did hit $40 million. So imagine what this thing can do in a full-blown alt season. Maybe a move to $250 million or $500 million isn't unrealistic at all, especially now that the narrative is shifting back towards gaming. So although this cycle I am predominantly just investing into the token itself, I am planning to pick up some nodes later this cycle and just sit on them until the next bull run. So another 4 or 5 years of just accumulating every single day, generating that passive income. So it's a low cap, it's proven it can pump. Again, this week is up over 100%. A full gaming ecosystem is already tied into the token. So Bull is a real contender to be in maybe the top 50 gaming tokens of this cycle. So the last token on the list is for anyone that's looking to take a little bit less risk, but still have the same gaming exposure. That's Beam. So Beam should definitely be on your radar. It's a layer 1 blockchain built specifically for gaming. It's an evolution of Merit Circle, and it's now a fully open source designed to power the next generation of Web3 games. They've already got some major games building on the network, such as Trial Extreme, and they're backed by some serious names such as Avalanche, Immutable, and Polygon. Last year, Beam reached a $3 billion market cap, but right now it's sitting around $380 million. So just to get back to the highs where it was last year, we're looking at a clean 8x. I really believe this is one of the strongest gaming infrastructures in the entire market. They've got the tech, they've got the support, and now they're positioned to win big this cycle. So those are my top 4 gaming projects that I'd invest into right now. I could have easily dropped another 10 or 15 gaming projects such as Cornucopias, Superverse, Medieval Empires. I mean, Medieval Empires is up 400% just this week. So congrats to everyone who's been holding that for the long term. The Web3 gaming space is finally starting to wake up. I truly believe the ones building real products and not just hype are going to win big this cycle. If you want to stay ahead at all, head over to investorjordan.com or hit the link in the description to join my free weekly alpha list. Every week I share exactly what I'm watching, what I'm buying, and the exact tokens I think are setting up for the next big leg. Remember, nothing in this video was financial advice, and I recommend you always do your own research before making any investments. Just remember, this market moves incredibly fast. You're either early or you're going to be the exit liquidity, and I'll see you in the next one.